Sustainable Development Goals or SDGs are global action plans agreed by world leaders, including Indonesia, to end poverty, reduce inequality, and protect the environment.
The SDGs contain 17 goals and 169 targets that are expected to be achieved by 2015 to 2030. With the theme Changing Our World, the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, the SDGs, which contain 17 goals and 169 targets, are a global action plan for the next 15 years, which is valid from 2016 to 2030, to end poverty, reduce inequality, and protect the environment. The SDGs apply to all countries or universally, so that all countries without unless developed countries have a moral obligation to achieve the goals and targets of the SDGs. Unlike the Millennium Development Goals or MDGs, the SDGs are designed by involving all actors development, including the government, civil society organization or CSOs, the private sector, and academic. To make this global action plan a success, Universitas Airlangga Surabaya Indonesia held a real-world lecture or KKN program that went directly to the community to release the goals and targets of the SDGs. The target community that will be the main focus are rural communities. The village SDGs are a sustainable development role that will include in the priority program for the use of the 2021 Village Fund. In KKN activities, in Group 120 will release 3 of the 17 SDGs goals, including third SDGs Health, That Good and Prosperity, the fourth SDGs Quality Education, and the 11 SDGs Cities and Sustainable Community.
The health sector is the main thing to achieve a healthy and prosperous life. The existence of COVID-19 pandemic has directed us to change our activity. Public is required to follow the health protocol made by the government.
The World Health Organization has established policies to prevent COVID-19 by regularly washing hands, covering mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing, and avoiding contact with people who have symptoms of respiratory illness. The Indonesian government itself also applies the same policy. However, it turns out that this policy has not been implemented properly by Indonesian people, as evidenced by the increasing number of transmission that has soared. To be able to overcome this problem, KKN 64 Universitas Airlangga Group 120 in Jimmy Village intensified program to increase public knowledge and awareness of the importance of applying health protocol in everyday life. The intended program are health protocol and vaccine socialization, health protocol socialization to children, and hand sanitizers education. The health protocol and vaccine socialization program is carried out by conducting socialization to the people of Jimmy Village to comply with the health protocol. The second program is the socialization of health protocol to children. The activity is carried out by giving demonstration to the children of Jimmy Village to implement health protocol, such as by doing demonstration of washing hands and using masks, as well as being given explanation about health protocol. The third program is socialization of making hand sanitizer. Another way to wash your hands is to use a hand sanitizer. However, due to the high price of hand sanitizer, members of the KKN 64 Universitas Airlangga Group 120 provided a program, Make Hand Sanitizer Using Natural Ingredients. Education on the Make Hand Sanitizer was carried out for PKK women in Jimmy Village to be able to make hand sanitizers using natural ingredients independently.
Besides being able to save the economy, make hand sanitizer with the natural ingredients is also be able to reduce the number of COVID-19 transmission.
Education is an asset that needs to be owned by every human being in a various direction, especially for Indonesia children. It seems that education in a country also still needs a lot attention and availability from the next generation.
From the perspective of education for students, especially children, of course, there are many opportunities for children to undergo education. In today's modern era, education is one of the most important aspects of life. Education is one of the main assets for a nation in an effort to improve the quality of its human resources. Our group is trying to provide future education for children in Jimbe village, starting from coloring competition in kindergarten, learning the history of Riok Ponorogo for elementary school. Finally, there is also college socialization and scholarship for high school, where we as group must give what we deserve to share with them, and of course can provide great benefit for them and lack the spirit to develop creativity in education to educate ourselves and the nation and state.
Sustainable village development is currently the main topic of the state as one of the efforts to advance the Indonesian state. This is also written in Ministerial Regulation Number 6 of 2020 concerning amendment to the regulation of the Minister of Village Development of Disadvantaged Region and Transmigration Number 11 of 2019 concerning priorities for the use of village found in 2020, which state that village development is an effort to improve the quality of life and life for as long as possible. This program is also form of implementation of the Sustainable Development Goals or SDGs, which is an international agenda, where the village has a large contribution of 64% of the achievement of Sustainable Development Goals. Development program is also implemented in Jimbe Village, Jenangan District, Ponorogo Regency, which carry out of development agenda on village infrastructure and innovation as needed. One of the activities is the construction of road signage, which is used to improve infrastructure in the form of village facility and infrastructure. With this road sign, it will make easier for people of Jimbe village and newcomers to get to know the direction of the road and the area of Jimbe village. The construction of the road name signage carried out by Jimbe Village collaborate with the KKN Universitas Airlangga. The process of making and installing KKN members also actively participates. The establishment of a road sign is considered as one of the sustainable village development effort in the accordance with the global SDGs.
These are some examples of what we can do to implement the SDGs. To be able to achieve sustainable development globally, it is necessary to have a new idea and activity and always collaborate with various parties together to realize global action.